Hello everyone, my name is Rajagal and I'm currently pursuing UG in the field of Computer Science and Business System. I'm excited to share that I've been placed at Autodesk as Territory Solutions Engineer in the field of Media and Entertainment for the salary package of 40 LPA.
Hi, I am Bhuvan Shankar, a pre-finalist student from the Department of Computer Science and Business System at KIT. I am thrilled to share that I have secured a placement with the package of 52 LPA.
Hello everyone, I'm Yadav, currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at Karnataka Institute of Technology. I'm happy to share that I've received a job offer of 52 LPA.
Hello everyone, I am Rajesh Kumar, third year computer science engineering student at KIT. I am super excited to share you that I got placed with a package of 52 LPA.
Hi, I'm Amrish, a third year computer science engineering student at KIT, and I'm thrilled to share that I have been placed with a package of 52 LPA at HashAI.
Hi, I'm Nitish. I'm currently pursuing my final year in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at Karnataka Institute of Technology. I am thrilled to share that I have been placed with Jaspay Technologies as a product engineer with the package of 21 LPA and the monthly salary of 1.5 lakhs.
Hello everyone, I'm Samuel Jennings from the Department of CSDS, and I'm excited to share that I have been placed at Autodesk as a software developer.
Hello everyone, I am Dhanush Vibhakaran from the Department of Computer Science and Business System at KIT. I recently got placed at Articam as a web engineer with a package of 18 pay through the pan-India level hiring process. Thank you.